Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Benjamin and you are watching Sartorial Styles. Today I show you my favorite tips and tricks on how to find the perfect pocket square for your outfit. For me, pocket squares are the most essential accessory in menswear. When I wear a tailored jacket, there is no question whether I should also wear a pocket square or not. I just do. That doesn't mean you also have to handle it like me, but even if you are not a frequent wearer of pocket squares, this video could be interesting for you. First things first, pocket squares bought in a set with a tie do look tacky when worn together. I do not recommend to match the pocket square and the tie as close as possible too. It's just not a great look in my opinion. When choosing a pocket square for your outfit, you have to keep three things in mind: color, pattern and fabric. Let's start with colors and how to pick one that will work with your tie and shirt if applicable, and your jacket. The easiest choice of color is white. A white pocket square works with every tie, jacket and shirt you could think of. I personally love white pocket squares with some colorful elements. The white base makes it easy to combine with the jacket and the shirt. The colored thread can either match or complement the tie. In this look, for example, I wear a burgundy tie with yellow medallions, so I decided to go for a white pocket square with some yellow elements that is classic and easy to combine, yet able to pick up the color of the tie. It looks well put together without being tacky or matchy-matchy. Generally, it can be a good idea to not pick up the base color of the tie, but the color or the colors included in the pattern. With this pink tie, a pink pocket square would be too heavy. But the blue micro pattern allows me to easily go for a pocket square incorporating tones of blue. With solid colored ties, on the other hand, I usually go for a pretty neutral pocket square with a pattern that includes the color of the tie, so basically the other way around. With this brown flannel tie, I would wear this pocket square with a brownish micro pattern. Long story short, when you are somehow trying to match colors of the tie and the pocket square, do it in the most subtle way possible. In-your-face matching isn't exactly elegant. Complementing the color of the tie is actually easier than matching it. Blue, for example, is perfectly complemented by yellow. Red is perfectly complemented by green. Just ask Luca Rubinacci. The second important thing when matching ties and pocket squares is pattern. The rule of thumb is quite easy and can be applied to pretty much every combination. If your tie features a pattern with a large scale, go for a pocket square with a smaller scaled pattern. And the other way around. Solids work with large and small patterns. This tie, for example, has a pretty large medallion pattern. Matching it with a paisley pocket square or a similarly sized medallion pocket square would look off and way too busy. Trust me, I tried it. With a solid pocket square like this or a smaller scaled pattern, it would work very well though. With this polka dot tie, on the other hand, I could easily go for a paisley pocket square. The polka dots are a small scale pattern and do not clash with the large scale paisley. The third important thing to keep in mind when picking a pocket square for your outfit is fabric. A solid white silk pocket square with a black tie ensemble? Awesome, but with a smart casual look, it would probably not work very well. With formality decreasing, linens, cottons and even wool are the way to go. Sure, there are less formal silk pocket squares, but due to the sheen it is a more formal fabric after all that might not work with denim jeans, for example. Thank you very much for watching this installment of Sartorial Styles. What do you think about pocket squares? I would love to hear about your thoughts in the comment section. If you are not subscribed yet, please consider doing so and also check out my Instagram account, it's linked in the video description. Up there, you have a video that was picked by the algorithm, and up there I show you 5 ways to style white denim jeans. Have a nice time and see you next week.